Now we are discussing the concept divisibility rules. How to check divisibility? We will discuss now how to check divisibility. Right? First one, divisible by 2. How can we check the number whether divisible by 2 or not? How we need to check? Right? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit or if the unit digit, right, the last digit or unit digit, it can tell correctly as it is unit digit, right? If the unit digit is even number, if unit digit is even, right, that is unit digit can be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say that number is divisible by 2, right? For example, 7392, is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the unit digit is 2, right? Now second one, divisible by 3. How you need to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not? If the sum of the digits of the given number, if the sum of the digits of given number is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 3. For example, 6393, right? This is the number he has given. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. So 21 is divided by 3, right? So this number also divided by 3. Clear? Right. Divisible by 4. How can we say whether the number is divisible by 4? If the last two digits, if the last two digits is divisible by 4, if the last two digits is divisible by 4, then we can say that number is divisible by 4, right? For example, 2300, 1996, right? These both, see in this number, what is the last two digits here? 0 0, that means 100. 100 by 4, 25. So 2300 is divisible by 4. Here 96, 96 by 4, 24, right? So 96 is divided by 4, so definitely 1996 is divided by 4, right? Next, divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. How can we say whether the number is divisible by 5 or not? If the unit digit is, if the unit digit is 0 or 5, if the unit digit is 0 or 5, then we can say that number is divisible by 5, right? Example, 995, 750, right? Next, divisibility by 6. How can we check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not? The number should simultaneously divisible by The number should simultaneously divisible by 2 and 3. That is the thing we need to do for the divisibility rule for 6. For example, 528, right? Is it divisible by 4? Sorry, is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because unit digit is 8. So definitely it is divisible by 2. But only this number satisfaction will not be sufficient for the divisibility rule 6. You need to check the divisibility rule for 3 also. So both the conditions should satisfy, right? So for divisibility by rule for 3, 5 plus 2 plus 8, that is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3, right? So definitely, so divisibility rule 2 and 3 satisfies this number. So now this number is divided by 6, right? If any one of these things doesn't satisfy, then it is not divisible by 6, right? For example, if I take 508, this is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 6. Understood? Good. Now 6, divisibility by 7. So divisibility rule for 7, we have two methods, right? By taking example, I will explain the methods, right? 11071 divisible by 7 and other number is 939715 is divisible by 7, right? The first method, this number I can write in this way: 107. The last digit you need to double it, right? Last digit you need to double and subtract from the remaining numbers. So what is the number? 105, right? You can do one more step. If you know whether this number strikes out with 7, then that's okay, then definitely this number is striked out with 7. Suppose still if you don't know the tables, right? So 105. So what we need to do? 10 minus 5 into 2. So unit digit you need to double and subtract from the remaining numbers. So 0. So when you get the 0, definitely it is divisible, right? So 1071 is divisible by 7, right? This is the one method. Now this second method, we will see the second method. Now you have the 6 numbers. You need to subtract this number from the remaining numbers, right? Just the difference of the last 3 digits and the remaining numbers. Suppose if you have only 39715, then it should be the difference of 715 and 39. Okay, don't worry that the remaining number should be more, nothing like that. Just we need to know the difference of the last 3 digits and the remaining numbers, that's all, right? So what the number you get? 224. Now check, this 224 is divided by 7 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 7. So definitely 939715 is also divisible by 7, right? Understood both the methods? Right, good, good. Now seventh one, divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. When we can say whether the number is divisible by 8 or not? When if the last 3 digits, right? If the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, right? Last 3 digits should be a multiple of 8, right? Last 3 digits, it should be multiple of 8. Then definitely the given number is divided by the 8, right? For example, 3954048, right? Now see what we have discussed. Now you need to check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Check now. If the last three digits, what is the last three digits? 48 is divided by 8. Yes, divided by. So definitely this also divisible by 8. Understood? Another number, 34,728. Right? We need to check last three digits. So now we need to check whether 728 is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 is 64. Sorry. So 8 nines, 8 ones. 8 9 ones are 728. So definitely this is divisible by 8. Right? Now eighth one. Divisibility by 9. How can we can say whether the number is divisible by 9 or not? If the sum of digits, if the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 9, or we can say the sum of the digits should be multiple of 9, right? So definitely the given number will be divisible by 9, right? Now if I take an example, 732987. Now you need to tell whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. How can we say? We need to first sum of the digits. 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7. Now check it. 10, 12, 21, 29, 7, 36. Right? So 36 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes. So definitely this number also divisible by 9. Now for example 528. Right? What is the 528? 5 plus 2 plus 8. 15. So this 15 is not divisible by 9. Right? So 528 is also not divisible by 9. Guys, remember one point. Every number which is divisible by 9, definitely that number will be divisible by 3 also. But every number divisible by 3 will not be divisible by 9. Right? Clear? Good. Now ninth one, very very important. Divisibility rule 11. Divisibility by 11. Right. How we need to check the divisibility rule 11? I will clarify this one by taking the example. I will take one example. Example 603559. This is the number. So we need to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Right? For this, the procedure is, see how many digits we have? Total 6 digits, right? This is odd place, this is even place based on the number, right? How many places you have? 6 places, right? This is the odd place and this is the even place, right? So you need to sum of odd places, then you need to do sum of even places also. Okay, what is the sum of odd places? 6 plus 3 plus 5, it is 14. What is the sum of even places? 0 plus 5 plus 9, 14. Right? After doing the sum, you need to make difference. Okay? After doing the sum, you need to make difference, right? What is the difference? 14 minus 14 equal to 0. This is difference you need to get 0 or multiple of 11, right? Then that number is divisible by 11. Understood? Clear? Clear. We will take one more example. 86, 8, 4, 5. How many places we have? Only 5 places, right? Now we will check sum of odd places. First we need to do sum of odd places. What is the sum of odd places? 8 plus 8 plus 5, 21, right? What is the sum of even places? 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Now what we need to do? We need to do a difference, right? Difference is 21 minus 10, that is 11. What we have discussed here? The difference should be either 0 or multiple of 11. So you got the 11. So definitely this number is divisible by 11, right? Clear? Concept is clear? Good, good. Now see the question. Find the value of k if k35624 is divisible by 11. Now we need to check whether k35624 is divisible by 11 or not, and we need to find the value of k, right? So now we will see k35624. What is the rule of divisibility rule for 11? We need to sum of odd places, right? What will be the sum of odd places? K plus 5 plus 2, right? This. Then sum of even places. What will be the sum of even places? 3 plus 6 plus 4, right? What is the thing? K plus 7. Then this one 13, right? See, the difference should be 0 or multiple of 11, right? So to need to get multiple of 11, first thing it should be 11. Most of the cases the number should be 11, right? See here, if I need 11, here I need to do 2, right? Is it possible to get the 2? No, right? Because you need to have minus 9. So you will get 13 minus 2, 11. So it is not possible. The number cannot be negative, right? So what is the other option you have? 0. So if you want the 0, right, the difference you need to get 0. This is the possibility that we have, right? So 13 minus k minus 7 equal to 0. So k equal to 6, right? This is not required to do. By seeing also you can say that k value is 6, right? Clear? Good. Good. The next question is, if 42573k is divisible by 72, then the value of k is, right? What he told that 42573k should be divisible by 72. So how can we do? We did not learn the rule for the 72, but still we can find it is not required. Should be this 72 I can written as 8 into 9. Now I know the divisibility rule for 8 and divisibility rule for 9. What is the divisibility rule for 8? Last 3 digits, right? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, right? Now from first option, I will check from first option 4, right? So the number should be 734 by 8, right? Now check it. 8 9 72 14. So 734 is not divisible by 8. So option A is not right. Now 5. So 735 by 8, 9. Then it remains 15. So it is also not divided by 8. Next, C option, 736 by 8, 9, 2. Right. So 736 is divisible by 8. So definitely the answer should be 6, right? Because 737 also is not divisible by 8, right? So no other option is satisfying for in the place of k. So definitely this should be the answer. So k equal to 6, right? Otherwise you can check with the 9 rule. Okay, what is the 9 rule? The sum of the digits 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus k, right? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 3 21 plus k, right? This 21 plus k should be divisible by 9, right? Now check with the option 1. 21 plus 4 by 9, no. 21 plus 5 by 9, no. 26 by no, never. 21 plus 6, 27 by 9, right? So it is divisible by 9, right? So if k value is 6, then both the numbers divide this number, right? Understood how we need to solve on the divisibility rules? Good. Now see the another question. Find the value of k if 9, 7, 2, 1, 5, k, 6 is divisible by 11, right? Now what is the number? 8, 9, 7, 2, 1, 5, k, 6. What is the rule for 11? Sum of odd places, right? Sum of odd places. What will be the sum of odd places? 9 plus 2 plus, right? 5 plus 6. You are getting the number 22. Now, sum of even places. Sum of even places. 7 plus 1 plus k. So 8 plus k. Right? Now, this difference I need. Right? The difference should be 0 or multiple of 11. Right? So if I make the difference 8 plus k equal to 0, what you get? K plus 14 equal to 0, k equal to minus 14. Is it right? No. Why it is not right? Because this is the first thing, this is a single digit, and we got the number negative. So both the things are not possibility. So this rule we cannot satisfy, right? So another one should be divisible by 11. So the difference should be 11, right? So 8 plus k equal to 11, k equal to 3. So possible answer is 3. If the options are given, just substitute in the place of k and check it. Very simple. Okay, if you don't understand this way, you can check with options also, not a problem, right? Clear? Concept is clear?